It's Science Saturday on the Daily QCI, so let's talk about some science. This time, cold showers. Have you bought into the hype? Did you buy a cold plunge tube? Do you stick your face in ice water every morning for some miraculous health benefit? Did it boost your testosterone? Did it increase your dopamine? Are you now a bulletproof monk? If you look at the research, instead of relying on the bro science influencers, you'll find that cold exposure can cause a short-term dopamine spike. It can improve alertness short-term, and some evidence suggests that there could be some changes in immune function, changes in sleep, hopefully for the better. However, it does not boost your testosterone in any lasting or meaningful way. It does not replace sleep, exercise, or actual stress management. And it's not going to turn you into an athlete with a six-pack just because you wake up and suffer in the shower. Cold showers or even cold water immersion can be a tool, kind of like a shot of espresso, helpful in the right context, but not needed for everyday use, or it's not going to turn you into some special superhuman. And if your whole life depends on it, you've got much bigger problems. A recent meta-analysis published in PLOS One in January of 2025 looks at a whole lot of different studies, 11 of them, comprising over 3,000 people. And what they found was there's broad differences in the research for cold water immersion from 30 seconds all the way up to 2 hours. There's vastly different reactions the body has, from increasing inflammation to decreasing inflammation, depending upon the exposure, to reducing stress in different ways, depending upon the level of exposure. There's really no significant reductions in stress. Big shocker there. And other studies indicate there could be negative effects to your ability to respond to your exercise because it's inhibiting the body's normal responses to build after working out. And like most meta-analyses these days that try to make sense of something that has so much variety to it, the conclusion states current evidence is constrained by very few RCTs, small sample sizes, and a lack of diversity in the study populations. Future high-quality randomized controlled trials are needed to examine any long-term effects and its impact on health outcomes. Not to mention what protocols actually work and which ones are a waste of time. The takeaway here is if you want some mental clarity, a boost, then try jumping in the shower. But don't mistake that short-term discomfort for real discipline. And definitely don't confuse it with building a strategy for yourself. If your nervous system's fried, a 2-minute polar plunge is not going to save you. What will? Sleep, movement, honest reflection. But hey, if you want to hop in the icebox for bragging rights, go for it. Just don't call it science. See you tomorrow.